you to get out of the vehicle.
No, it's not my car.
Yeah, she just put one foot on it.
She's dragging me.
Oh yeah, what you just seen was real. Welcome to Logic on Steroids. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the video. Yo, I got a question for today. What type of body cam videos you prefer to watch? A, airport body cam, B, nightclub body cams, or C, traffic stop body cams? You know what I mean? Write it down in the comments. I want to read your comment. Top comment, get pinned. You know what I'm saying? Also, you can show some support and love to this channel. Finally, we've reached our goal. You know what I mean? Just go in the bottom of the video. You'll see a thanks button. Hit that and show some love. Let's get into this video right now.
Are you ready? On July 30th, 2024, a standard traffic stop at a Dollar General in Point Pleasant Beach quickly escalated when the 28-year-old driver allegedly decided to flee the scene on foot. This footage captures the chaotic moments as officers pursued the suspect and the subsequent interactions that led to her arrest.
How you doing?
I'm alright.
I'm Officer Babbitt, Point Pleasant Beach PD. You're being audibly visually recorded. Good. Everything all right today?
Yo, hold up. Yo, I got friends who couldn't have called me at a better time. Yo, they called me at the worst times ever. As soon as I start to eat my first bite, my phone rings. I just hooked up the YouTube, about to watch a good show. The phone rings. I'm talking about my phone didn't ring the entire day. It just, man, this is crazy. Look at time she gets a phone call.
Everything all right today?
Very good day. How are you?
Good. All right. Reason I'm stopping you is the careless driving, swerving into parking spots,
Yeah,
aggressively riding up onto me, accelerating. I'm harassing you.
Oh, so she did it intentionally.
And then you purposely went backwards on me.
Okay, why'd you stop for me to go forward?
I didn't feel like that was right.
Okay. Okay, I need your license, insurance, and registration. Nope, I need your license, registration, insurance. Okay. Thank you.
For her, it's over before it even started.
This is temporary insurance.
What's my dad's car, sir? I mean, I'm trying my best here.
Okay.
I mean, I've been my whole life. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you want to see the proofs? You want to see my lawyers? My paperwork? You want to see it all?
No, I really don't care.
Okay, then
Damn.
you don't need my license.
I do.
No point.
State laws require that you have to hand me over your license when I ask upon a motor vehicle stop. So, if you want to call your lawyer and ask about that, that's fine.
I gotta find it first, sir. And nobody said anything about calling nobody. So don't put words in my mouth.
Thank you.
Well, she know how to prolong any negativity. Damn. So don't put words in my mouth.
No.
Do you have a registration for this vehicle?
Yeah.
You handed me the insurance card.
Well, I don't know where it is.
Okay.
That's the problem.
All right.
It's not my car, sir. It's registered under my dad.
I understand that.
Okay.
So-
you want me to call him?
No, you don't have to. Just do me a favor, look for it, and I'll be right back, all right?
I don't know. It's not my car.
Okay.
So how am I going to look for something that I don't even...
Here's another classical case of your attitude could ruin the whole moment. I mean, he could give you some type of leeway, some kind of chance if you were nicer, but you're coming off as a straight bitch.
know where it is.
Good idea. I don't know.
Exactly.
All right.
So should I call him?
Go ahead. Okay, stay in the car. Stay in the car. Because I'm telling you to.
3-1.
Stay in the car.
Good. We checked in the area of the high school for a juvenile on a green.
Stay in the vehicle.
No, I want to call my father. I want to get the registration.
So why the hell you gotta step out to do that?
Don't do it.
She just wanna be the Defiant.
Get back in the vehicle.
I have no choice.
Get back in the vehicle. I don't care. I told you I don't care. Get back in the car.
I want to.
Get back. You're not going anywhere until I'm done with you. So get back in the car. Now. Not an option. Me.
Okay.
Get back in the car.
Yeah, I will. When I can tell you when I get off.
Get back in the car.
When you tell me.
Get back in the car. Because I'm telling you, I don't need to give you a reason. Get back in the car.
Attention to you women, man haters. You're gonna learn the difference between hating a man and treating a man however you want to treat him versus treating a cop how you want to treat him. He's not only a man, but he's a damn cop. Always remember that.
Do I?
Get back in the car. Sit in the car.
For what?
Sit in the car.
For what?
I'm ordering you
Why are
to.
you talking?
Because I'm telling you to.
Okay, then why are you pulling me over?
I told you to.
Follow me.
Careless driving.
Front of me, behind me, in front of
Okay.
me. Yeah, you're mad because I told the truth now?
See, her emotions is allowing her to look at him just as a man, not as a cop.
Registration, careless driving, swerving into parking spots, try to get behind her.
2024, January.
Go ahead,
Sure you got the card. 9 points. Last was careless in January of this year.
Yep. Alright, so, gonna get her careless, failure to provide reg. Probably just give her the careless, mail her a couple other ones, try to figure it out. I'm not gonna sit out here the whole time with her.
She wants to continue to,
Here, take the
Get out of the vehicle.
car. I'm out. I gotta go.
Are you ready?
No, it's not my car.
What?
People in the area of South and Trenton.
This lady
Want me to
is
get her?
She just took off on us.
crazy.
Yeah?
She done ran.
I'll be back. Could you guys grab that for me? Thank you.
Yeah, she just took off on foot on us.
Stay right here.
How she got caught?
Put your hands behind your back.
It's not my car.
Out with her.
Yo, I swear she had like a 20-minute head start.
Hands behind your back.
Why?
You're being detained right now because
Why?
you can't sit still.
Because I'm on seizure medicine, sir. I'm on medication. Look at my bruise.
Okay.
From Breck Hospital.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting,
You're
sir.
pulling away from me.
I'm not resisting. Can you tell when I'm not resisting?
You're pulling away from me.
What do you mean?
You know you're not free to leave on a traffic stop, right?
It was my car. It wasn't my car. I couldn't find the registration.
So you run?
Well, I didn't know what else to do.
Come on, man.
Yo, some people are just their logic is upside down. Like you couldn't find what you were looking for. So just sit down and be patient. Why would you run and make it worse? And you said it's your dad's car?
You sit there and you wait and you talk to us like
Left his car behind.
Because it's not my car.
it's not your first time being pulled over, though.
But it's not my car.
What difference does it make?
'Cause
You're
I-
operating a motor vehicle. It doesn't matter.
I didn't know that.
Well, you don't
Thank you.
open the door.
Because I don't usually drive other people's cars. So no, I don't know that. What are you going to do? Send me back to the hospital or jail? I'd rather go to jail.
figure that out.
Because I already set my appointment up with behavioral health.
For what?
For IOP program. I just got out of hospital. So, and I just got out. I got a nice bruise on my arm from Brick.
Stop.
Are you going to do that to me again?
Alright, stop.
Victim time.
And the victim award goes to...
Because I don't want people to harass me anymore, and I feel like the cops are.
Why?
Because they've been doing this my whole life. It's not my driving. So what? People have 22.
With your driver.
You don't need that.
That's a problem with my driving?
9 points and yeah.
And what would you be if you were a genie in a bottle?
What is a genie in a bottle?
You tell me. Why don't you read a book?
Going this way.
I didn't know where I was going.
Watch your head.
Know what the hell she talking about?
Trying to do something.
If you have to double off.
No, you can just leave it like that because my wrists are fine.
Come back out of the car.
Why? You're not going to hurt my wrists. They're fine. I'm not going nowhere. Relax.
Listen.
No, you're not hurting my wrist. You already hurt my arm. Okay? You see that nice bruise right there?
Double locked.
You could double lock anything. Just don't hurt my wrist.
That's the whole point.
God, that's what I'm trying to say. I didn't say you were.
Oh, you're yelling at me.
But you're putting the handcuffs nice and tight.
Listen, I want to make sure you're comfortable. I'm not trying to make this worse.
Yeah. All right, let's go then. Come on, so I can see the doctor and see this and see that and see ooh and here. Come on, let's go. No, because I can't. I need my medicine.
What is going on?
I need my epilepsy medication.
Is it in your bag or is it in the car?
It's at my house. I gotta go and get it, and that's where I was going, and that's why I'm driving that way because I need to get my medication.
She's pulling out all the cards. Everything.
And you guys,
Why would you leave your house without it, dummy?
you're not helping right now.
Deep breath. Nobody's yelling with you.
I'm not trying to yell.
All right.
I can't help it.
Take a breath. We'll get you what you need.
Can you get my phone?
Yeah.
No, like I need to call my mom.
Everything's coming with you.
All right, you
All right.
take me to jail because I'd rather go there.
Well, we'll figure that out. We'll see what we're going to do.
Point Pleasant Beach is in Ocean County, New Jersey. It sits at the northern end of the Barnegat Peninsula.
I'm listening to everything you have to say.
Put me in the psych ward because I belong there.
I've never said anything about a psych ward.
Yeah. Turning body cam.
The incident concluded with the driver being taken into custody and booked at headquarters for multiple offenses. She was ultimately charged with obstruction of the administration of law, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest before being processed by the department.
Yo, this is for educational purposes right here, you know what I'm saying? Always don't be her. Yo, always don't be her, man. Like, don't do stupid shit, just randoms, and then coming up with 30,000 excuses why they should give you a little chance or something. Nah, nobody can feel sorry for you once you've done some dumb shit because you're grown enough, you're old enough not to do some stupid shit. You know what I mean? It's a time when you gotta just say, you know what? I gotta make some right choices. You know what I mean? So, come on. You ain't a kid no more. Anyway, check this out, you guys.
We appreciate the likes and shares on our Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Love y'all. Peace.